Today we're going to do some front brake pads, show you how to change them. It's pretty much the same on every car, but this is a B8 VW Passat 2015, and we're going to start with getting the car jacked up and taking the wheel off. First I need a pick to get these wheel caps off. Looking well lucky. Then our jack. Get the car raised up. Get an axle stand. Underneath. Remove your wheel nuts. Bang at the top and your wheel will come off. So now we're going to turn the wheel to the left, facing this side of the car. Now the wheel's turned left, I'm going to go and open the brake reservoir. To open the caliper, I'm using a 13mm ratchet, spanner and long nose pliers. It's Milwaukee in this case. I'm going to put pliers on the inside just to hold that for moving. Get your 13mm spanner on the outside, give it a turn, and it should come off by hand once you've turned it. And the same on the top. Top is loosened up. We're not going to open that completely. We should get away with just sliding that out a little bit. Get in your pry bar, or in this case a massive flat screwdriver. Just wedge it between. Sorry, I don't know if it's focusing there. Wedge it between your brake pad and the piston, and just push it all the way back. Then we can lift the caliper up. No, we can't. So we're going to have to undo it completely. Leave that rest on there. scrape any dust off. Got some replacement pads here. And it should be a case of just slipping them back into place. A little bit of a tight fit those ones. Once you get your new pad in, you might need to just press it that little tiny bit more. Put your caliper back on. Get your bolts back on by hand. And tighten each bolt back up. You should be able to hold the inside of the caliper slider by hand to tighten them back up. That's done. Now before we move on to the other side, we've already pushed this piston back in, so you don't want to push both pistons at the same time back in because you might overflow your brake reservoir over here. This one looks pretty low actually, might need topping up. So what we're going to do is get inside the car, press the brake pedal until it gets hard, then we can start on the driver's side. I won't need to video that because it's exactly the same as the passenger side. So hopefully that's helped somebody, and we'll be putting some more videos up, so please like and subscribe.